What's up to my friends on YouTube? Today I'm going to be showing you how to share a song on SoundCloud, specifically how to copy a link to a sound on SoundCloud and send it to whoever you like, specifically on the SoundCloud app. So you will see I have this song here, and what you're going to look for are those three little dots that are in the bottom right hand corner. Go ahead and click on that, and you will see sort of towards the middle of the screen there, right above that orange heart there, is that there is an option for copy link. Go ahead and click on that. And simply by clicking on that button there, you will see a little pop-up saying copy to clipboard, and it is simply copied, and you could paste this and send this song to whoever you want. They could click the link and it will take them directly to the SoundCloud app and directly to the menu that you are seeing right here. It really is that simple to share a song on SoundCloud. If you did have any questions though, feel free to leave them in the comments down below. If you found this helpful, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.